Welcome back to my channel, you guys. If you are new, hello, my name is Blanca Estela. And if you're not, welcome back. In today's video, I'm so excited because I'm going to be unboxing my first Ipsy Glam Bag Plus box. I'm going to be unbagging April's and May's because I did do a poll on Instagram. I was supposed to receive my first one in May, but they did send me the April one. So I said if I should unbox my April one in April or just wait till I get the May one, and in the one with wait until May to unbox both one. So that's what I'm doing today. And I'm so excited. I was waiting for the longest time to get on the Ipsy Plus list, like, because you couldn't have signed up for it. You had to wait because there was a wait list. So what the Ipsy Plus is, you get 5 full-size products, I believe. I forgot. But for $25 a month. So that is pretty exciting. And by looking what's in the boxes, because I already unboxed them myself, it is worth it because the makeup brands in here are amazing. So I'm gonna go ahead and start off with April's first because April was last month. And so this is what the box looks like. It's just a big pink box. So you won't get a glam bag until I believe every 3 months. So if I'm right, I'll probably get a glam bag next month. I'm not sure, but this is what the inside of the box looks like. I don't want to show you guys what's inside yet, but that's what's on the inside. And then so this is the card that came in the April box. And then I like this because on the inside it tells you a little bit about each product. It actually gives you the retail price of each product that you get. So I was pretty excited about that. So starting off with the first thing. I'm going to start off with the best thing in this palette. I already said it. In this box. It's a palette by Mood by Laura Sanchez. And this palette is so cute, you guys. Look at this palette. I'm obsessed with the packaging. And then you take it out, and you guys, look at this. This is the front, and then this is the back. So when you open it, and put it upside down, that's what the palette looks like. That is so cool. I love this. And then this is the inside of the palette, you guys. It is so pretty. Look at this. It comes with the mirror. So it does come with 8 eyeshadows and 2 highlighters. 2 highlighters. So this is the packaging of the box. I'm going to read you guys what it says on the box. With much love, I present to you my moods, a palette that defines who I am. On one hand, sweet and feminine, and on the other hand, strong and determined. I named the tones of this palette using emojis, which is our form of global expression. So visual that it breaks the language barrier. I want you to have a little bit of my heart in your makeup kit. So the eyeshadows don't have names, but they are with emojis. So that's what they're called. But the highlighters do have names. So the gold one is Mamacita and the white one is Diosa. Diosa. Oh. I'll tell you guys what it says about it on the Ipsy little book. Where is it? Okay. So the retail price of this palette is $35. So keep in mind, $25, you already passed the price with a palette of $35. So that is pretty cool. And yeah. Oh yeah, so yeah, you get 5 full-size products from brands you love each month. So yeah, it's 5 full-size products a month. It just tells you a little bit about the palette right here. And I don't want to read it because it is long, but it is a all-in-one palette that has matte and metallic shades, and it has eyeshadows and highlighters. So that's pretty cool. The next thing I'm gonna pull out is by Benefits, and this is their highbrow pencil right there. And I've never tried this before, so I'm pretty excited. It's a highlighting pencil for your eyebrow, for your brow bone. Really pretty. A little bit about this product. It's in the back. Okay. The Benefit Cosmetics Highbrow Eyebrow Highlighter retails for $22. When your brows need a lift, look no further than this creamy highlighter brow pencil. The matte linen pink shade pops on and accentuates your arcs for bright, lifted, younger looking skin. Eyes. What did I say? Skin. See, I'm tired. So that's really, really cool. So the next thing is a skincare product. This is from Goldfaden MD. I think that's how you pronounce it. And this is their Bright Eyes Dark Circles Radiance Wait, what? Oh, it's just called Bright Eyes. Yeah, it's Bright Eyes. And it's supposed to help with your dark circles, I believe. I'll read about it in a little bit. But this is the packaging. And then this is what the actual product looks like. So that's pretty cool. And it's cute and little. Okay, so I'm going to read to you about this. So this retails for $55, girl. Damn, $55 for this little thing. Okay, so it's an eye cream. This eye cream gets straight to the root of your under eye issues because there's only so much concealer that can hide. Formulated with rich bran extract, soy peptide, organic red tea, and arnica, it helps reduce the appearance of dark circles, puffiness, and fine lines. So that's pretty cool. The next thing is by Paris Hilton. This is her dual action cleansing gel. So it's another skincare product and it is a cleanser. I like the packaging. It looks pretty and matte. Damn, and this is the cleanser. It's huge. Oh, I need to smell it. I like smelling shit. I can smell it. Oh, that smells so good. It smells like citrusy, but not too citrusy, if that makes any sense. So, this cleanser, okay, Paris Hilton Skincare. So, I didn't know she had a skincare brand. That's so cool. Their Pro DNA Dual Action Cleansing Gel retails for $29. You might not be an actual heiress, but that doesn't mean you can't have a rich girl skin. Cleansing gel is infused with exfoliating caviar, lime, and pineapple derived enzymes to brighten skin, cucumber to depuff, and white tea extract to reduce the appearance of wrinkles and help repair sun damage. Wow, that is so cool. Nice. What else does it say on here? It says to use twice a day. So I'm guessing morning and night. So that is pretty cool. I'm gonna start using this as well. And then the last thing in April's is a blush palette, and this is by Lovecraft Beauty. I want to see if it's it's by Lovecraft Beauty, and this is one of their blush palettes. And then the back it tells you the shades, and then you open it. Ooh. And these are the shades right here. Let me take the plastic off. They're really, really pretty. And it comes with the mirror. And the mirror does have a plastic. A blush palette retails for $39. There's nothing like a natural flush on your cheeks after leaving a gym or when your crush walks into the room. Luckily, this blush palette gives you the same pinky glow without the sweat or nervous butterflies. Enter Lovecraft Beauty with products formulated by makeup artist Francel Dali. I don't know who that is, but girl, pretty palette. The brand is parts skincare, parts color cosmetics, and 100% magic. Ooh. If I like this palette, I'll probably look into her brand to see what else I can get. That is it for April's box. Now I'm going to go ahead and open May's box. Okay. So they all look the same. It's also pink. And it says the same thing as the other box. So there we go. It says, don't be pretty like them, be pretty like you. Girl, I'm hella pretty, okay? Okay, so this is the card that came in this month. Right there. And it was also 5 full-size products. And I'm just gonna go ahead and start off with what's on here so it can be easier to use the booklets. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna put out is a Moisture Max. So this is a skincare product, and this is from AEAU. I don't know how to pronounce that. Thermal Avene. It might be French, I don't know. But this is what the packaging looks like. And this is what the actual product looks like. Ooh. So it is a soothing moisture mask. So that's the mask right there. I like to smell stuff, so. Ooh. It like kind of doesn't smell like anything, but you can still smell a little something. I like it. Okay, so this moisture masks retails for $26. Your daily moisturizer is good, but incorporating a super hydrating mask into your skincare routine will moisturize your skin the way a face cream can't. This thick and creamy mask is powered by spring water, which penetrates deep into skin to soothe, soften, and calm stressed out complexions. It's so hydrating, it even provides instant relief for burns, sunburns, and day-to-day redness. I'm going to Rocky Point in like a week. I'm probably going to take that with me because I'm going to get sunburn as fuck. Plus, it's gentle enough for even the most sensitive skin. It's so cool. Okay. So the next thing is a eyeshadow palette. This one's a tiny one and it is so pretty. This one is by Wonder Beauty, and this is their Wondrous Seascape eyeshadow palette. Really, really cute. I love the packaging. And this is what the back looks like. It gives a little preview of the eyeshadows on the top. I'm gonna go ahead and open it. Okay. So this is what the palette looks like. And then you open it, and these are the shades. They are so cute. And then it comes with the mirror, of course. These are so cute. It's all shimmers except one. One's a matte. Yeah, one's a matte. And then one of them is a shimmer one. And 4 of them are shimmers, but they have a tint of sparkle. I don't know if you guys can see the little sparkle on them. Really, really cute. So I'm excited to use this palette. This palette retails for $25. This Wonder Beauty Skin 6-pan eyeshadow palette can transport you to the tropics of a lot less than a plane ticket. Loaded with a mix of foil, shimmery satin, and matte finishes in shades of seafoam, deep blue, sandy brown, sea salt pink, and warm golds, these pigmented eyeshadows infused with skin-loving ingredients can create endless looks on and off the beach. See, I know I had a little bit of sparkle in there. Okay, so the next thing is a primer, and I'm actually excited to try this primer because I heard really good things about it. This is by Yensa, I think it's pronounced it, and this is their Tone Up Primer Essential Glow. This is what the packaging looks like, and this is what the actual primer looks like. Really, really cute, and I haven't opened it, so I can't even see how it looks like. Okay, so this primer retails for $35. Ever wonder how so many beauty junkies have luminous skin, both bare-faced and made up? Those of us who have to work for a glow can turn into this Yensa primer for help. Infused with black tea, shiitake mushroom, chai seed, and more nutrition ingredients, it helps correct and blur fine lines, pores, and uneven texture. all white, giving you a subtle highlight. That is so cool, girl. Can't wait to use it. Okay, I have 2 more products. Well, one of them is a duo, so we'll have 3, but you know. Okay. The next thing is a mascara. This is by Il Mikash. I don't know how you pronounce this, but it's a really popular brand. And it is a mascara. This is their Icon High Volume and Intense Curl Mascara. And, ooh, this is what it looks like. Super, super cute. Wow, that's a big one. Okay. So, this mascara must be in the background. So this mascara retails for $25. When you can't be bothered to fumble with falsies, reach for a mascara that pumps up your natural lashes minus the messy glow. Girl, we're going to see about that because my lashes are not voluminous at all. The football-shaped silicone brush grips and coats even the tiniest of lashes, lifting, curling, and lengthening all at once. That's a lot of claims. I'm going to have to see if it's true. I hope it is. And then the last thing is a lip duo. So it is 2 lip liners by the brand Ilamask. I think that's how you pronounce it. And it's 2 other coloring pencils, but they're lip liners. Lip coloring pencil duos. In the shades Lust and Media. So this is what they look like. They did come wrapped together, like in a plastic, but I took them off so I can see them. That's what they look like. This one is in the shade Lust. That's pretty. So it is kind of like a pinky one. I'm going to do a little... Ooh, that's cute. That's what it looks like. And then this is a little swatch. Super, super cute. The next one is in the shade Media. So this one is a lighter pink shade. Kind of like a salmon color. So this one right there. And then the bottom one is a shade for the swatch for that one. Super, super cute. Okay. So I'm guessing you can use this as to kind of like contour. Like use the darker one on the outside of the lips. And then use the lighter one inside. And then that thing will probably look pretty with the lip gloss on top. I'll have to try that. So these do retail for $21 each. Damn, each. Because there's nothing worse than lipstick that feathers, bleeds, and smudges. It's time you incorporate a lip pencil into your routine. Ilamask's super pigmented lip pencil shades Lust and Media lock your lipstick in place all day and add tones of dimension. That is so cool. If I'm pronouncing the name wrong, let me know. Okay? Because I don't want to pronounce the name wrong. And yeah, you guys, that is it for this video. That is what I got for last month and this month. Super exciting stuff, you guys. I just so excited. And yeah, if you guys want to see a video using some of the products, let me know. I'm definitely going to do a video with the Moods palettes, and then I'll probably incorporate the blush palettes in the same video, and the mascara and the lip liners. Probably not the skincare ones, but I think I'll probably use everything else in one video. So yeah, keep on a lookout for that. And yeah, that's it for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, bye guys. Oh yeah, so I'm not gonna get the regular Ipsy ones anymore, so I'm not gonna put anything more on that playlist. I'm gonna start a new playlist with Ipsy Plus. Okay, bye guys.